Okay, choose the correct verb. Alright, let me choose the correct form of verb which which is given in the bracket. Alright, given in the bracket there up to 10. We have 10 sentences. We have to select the correct form of verbs. Yes, the moon around the earth. The moon around the earth revolves. Revolves. Why it is revolve? It is universal truth. Understand? Or general truth. We have to use simple present tense. Same thing here. The sun sets in the west. Sets sets in the west. This is universal truth or general is universal truth. In this condition, we have to use simple present tense. Alright. He English for 13 years. This time period, the for is the period of time, since is the point of time, especially period of the time we have to use perfect continuous tense. So he English for 13 years means still is teaching. The teaching process is continuous till now. That's why we have to use he has been teaching. He has been teaching. Alright. He has been teaching, understand? He has been teaching English for 13 years. It indicates a period of time, and this time it starts 13 years before and till now. That's why we have to use present perfect continuous tense. Have been teaching. He has been teaching English for 13 years. Alright. It was a great presentation, and I think oh Lord, it was, let's see, it is generally, it determined the past tense, simple past tense. It was a great presentation, and I think a lot. You see, it was great presentation. I think I had learned a lot. Understand? It was a great presentation. That's why I think I had learned. I had learned. Learned a lot. Understand? Had learned. Understand? It was a great presentation, and I had learned a lot. It is finished. Before he went to Hong Kong, I learning English, not enjoying. I had not enjoying. Went here. Went is here. This represent the condition before he went to Hong Kong. This condition. In this condition, we have to use continuous tense. Had plus not had not enjoyed. Perfect continuous tense. Had not enjoyed. Enjoyed. Alright. You see, learning English. Before he went to Hong Kong, understand? She should know. That's why I had not enjoyed learning English. Understand? He is learning English, so I had not enjoying learning English. Understand? This is the time in the period, so we have to. This is connected two form of the verb in the past tense. Before he went to Hong Kong is one past. It is past tense, and I had not enjoyed learning English. It's completed in the past. To to go to Hong Kong. Understand? Alright. After the moment I English grammar. I after the moment I am revising. I am revise revising. I am revising English grammar. Revise. After the moment I am revising. You see, I will also after the moment I am revising English grammar. Understand? I am revising English grammar. After the moment, I will revise English grammar. I revise just you have to after I am revising English grammar. It indicates the certain time. That's why I am revising. After some time, indicate after the some time the action is going continuous. That's why I am revising English grammar. He occasionally in her the part. You see, occasionally, frequently, these words always used in simple present tense. That's why we have to use meets. He occasionally meets her in the park. Understand? My wife or thesis is not finished means my has not finished. My wife has not finished it yet. Has not past yet. It's always using perfect tense. You see has not finished. All right, has not free. Yet is always used in perfect tense. My wife has not. This is also continuous. Not completed. Has not finished or thesis yet. Rice already eaten. She has already eaten. Already always contain the present perfect tense. She has already eaten. Already plus has plus already plus third form of verb. Eaten. Understand? She has already eaten rice. Radha ate in a crowded place. Sitting. He just sitting. Ate sitting. Now, understand? Sitting in a crowded place. Alright. So, the correct form of the verb. Let's see. These two are universal truth. Universal truth already indicate the simple present tense. He has been teaching English for this. This is time period. Time period in the present tense. That's why we have used has plus been plus teaching present perfect continuous tense. It was great presentation. All right. Let's see. It was great presentation, and I think I had learned a lot because the past completed. I had learned because the presentation was great. Understand? Very excellent. Before he went to Hong Kong, let's see. Before he went to this is connected in the past. This is condition. I had not enjoyed learning English. Understand? I completed the English, but I had not enjoyed. It gave boring for me. Understand? In this condition, I plus had plus not plus enjoyed plus ed. Third form of India had plus B3. In this condition, I had not enjoyed learning English. After the moment I am revising, you see, after the moment I am going to do something continuous action. That's why I am revising English grammar. You occasionally always use in simple present tense. That's why meets. He occasionally meets her in the park. My wife, her thesis, it is always used in perfect tense, especially perfect tense in present perfect tense. That's why my wife has not finished, has plus not plus third form of finish. Understand? Finish, finished, finished, finishing, and finishes. Understand? Or thesis A. She has already eaten rice. She has already is always used in present perfect tense. That's why she has already eaten. Has plus already plus eat and third form of it. Radha hate sitting. This is the noun. That's why we choose sitting in a crowded place. Radha hate is verb. That's why it is sitting is noun. So we choose the noun sitting in a crowded place. Alright. This is the situation that we choose the correct verb given in the bracket. Alright.